Hello everyone, welcome to Biomass Regional6, and today will be the first video of an unboxing because I got something in the mail from eBay. Yeah, I purchased a BB gun pack, pellet gun, pellets bag, whatever you call them, I don't care. Yeah, well, man, might as well just stop talking and just open this up. So, I got my knife right here. And, let's see what's in here. Now, confounded thing. Here it is. UK Arms Fuel BB bag. Yeah, that's it. Not much to talk about it. I had bought this because I have also gotten a chance to purchase a BB gun that will be here soon. There's not much else on the thing. There's no instructions. This was from UPS First Class. It was from eBay, if you can see right there. eBay, right there. From the United States Postal Service. And this was from Leicester Avenue. I think it was Bakersfield 1313, California. Yeah, this was from Bakersfield, California, to my address. I'm not gonna show you because that's good anyway. So yeah, there's not much to put on. This was of the first unboxing video that I had uploaded, and I gotta say I actually do like these. Although it seems that some of them are not really completed. Some of them are broke. Well, anyway. Oh, also, I have gotten a gun right here. Now, and yes, I know how to use a BB gun. Everybody might think it's so surprising. So, for this portion of the video, I'm just going to put in a few in here and just store it until my brand new BB gun comes in. So, I'm just gonna put some right here. Just hope they don't fall. Damn it. I'm trying not to curse because now YouTube these days they're really, I mean, no offense YouTube, but you're going a little bit too hard on people that are trying to do their videos. I'm just saying. Yep, so just load these few in. There you go. I loaded in at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Loaded in 8 BB pellets. And that's it. Now, all you gotta do is just put it in. And look at that. It's already gonna be used, but bad thing is, this is with a broken trigger. So, that's why I decided to buy a new one so I can at least make sure. But for my rating of this product, of these, and the gun that I will be putting another video of unboxing, I'd say this is basically a 10 out of 10 because it's what I wanted. It's orange, not a big deal. I mean, I wanted green, but life doesn't always give you what you want. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching the video. My camera's battery is about to go very low. Just make sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video if you love it, share it with all your friends or family, and make sure to hit that bell for the notifications for my next videos that will be coming soon. Bye.